Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zoom to streamline call follow-ups, full guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type zoom.us and press enter. On the top right corner of the home page, click on the sign in button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your email address associated with your Zoom account. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you prefer to stay signed in on this device, check the Keep Me Signed In box. Once all fields are filled, click the blue Sign In button. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow the prompts to reset it. After logging in, you will be taken to your Zoom dashboard. From the dashboard, you can access your upcoming meetings. To streamline call follow-ups, navigate to the Meetings tab on the left sidebar. Here, you can view scheduled meetings along with their details. Select a meeting to see participants' information. For follow-ups, access the Reports section from the left sidebar. In Reports, choose the Usage option to find details about past meetings. Select the date range for the meetings you'd like included in the report. Click the blue Search button. The report will show all participants and their join/leave times. You can export this data by clicking the Export button. This will allow you to create follow-up emails more efficiently. After exporting, check your downloads for the file. Now, you're ready to conduct follow-ups based on the meeting details collected. Review the exported data and prepare your follow-up messages. This will ensure you connect with everyone effectively after your Zoom calls. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.